The 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, running boards, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power steering, front air conditioning, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.